Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Algolia with bubble search pages step by step clearly. To activate and integrate Algolia with bubble search pages, begin by logging into your bubble account. Navigate to the application you want to work on. Go to the Plugins tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Plugins button at the top right. In the search bar, type Algolia and select the Algolia search plugin from the list. Click the Install button to add the plugin to your bubble application. Once installed, navigate to the Algolia settings in the Plugin tab. You will need your Algolia application ID and admin API key. Log into your Algolia account in a new tab. Click on the API keys section on the left sidebar. Copy your application ID and admin API key. Return to your bubble application and paste the application ID and admin API key into the Now, set up the index you want to use in Algolia. Go to your Algolia dashboard and create a new index if you haven't done so already. Make sure to import relevant data into this index. Back in Bubble, create a search input element on the page where you want to implement the search feature. Set the data source of the search input to Algolia. In the search input settings, configure it to use the index you created in Algolia. You may want to adjust search settings such as the search parameters and display options according to your needs. Next, add a repeating group element to display your search results. Set the data source of the repeating group to the same Algolia index. Design the repeating group to show relevant data points such as titles, descriptions, and images. Now, set up a workflow to trigger a search when a user enters text into the search input. In the workflow, select the action to perform a search in the Algolia index based on the input value. Test your integration by previewing your page. Perform a search to see if results are displayed correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the search experience based on your findings. Finally, ensure that your Algolia index is properly configured to optimize search results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.